All right, I just purchased my first electric smoker. We'll see what happens. I think I'm going to put it on this stand, and yeah, it's digital controlled. It's a Masterbuilt. It's supposed to be a good one. We'll find out. It was $329 plus, well, I got a 10% discount on my military discount, which came to $296. So that's pretty good. It's 30-inch digital smoker, and then that's what it's going to look like without the stand. Like I said, I think I'm going to put it on here so it's higher. All right, let's take it apart and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. I'm still unpacking. The digital readout has to be installed over here, back here. It's just a matter of plugging it in. Yeah, easy peasy. All right, so let me unbox everything and then I'll show you the final product here in a minute. The only concern I have is this going to be too high for me to read? Nah, not really. I can go on my tiptoes. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I changed my mind on the legs. We were going to put it there, but she wants to use this for other things. So right now I'm pre-seasoning it. It's got 2 hours and 40 minutes left, and it's blinking. 282 is the temperature. Ooh, it's supposed to go to 275 and stop. So I'm going to watch that, because I got it set for 275. So anyway, yeah, the instructions on the legs are not great. The ones in front are longer and the angle is different. That's what you need to know. They've got numbers on them, but there's no numbers on the legs. Numbers in the instructions, but no numbers on the legs. So the front ones are longer and they come out more. Okay, so now we're gonna let it go and see what happens. I don't want to go too high. Where's it at now? 281. So it's, yeah, 280. So it's shutting down. It's supposed to be around 275 for 3 hours. And the last 45 minutes, we're going to put some wood chips, which is a half a cup, which we're ready for that. You're supposed to leave this open, which doesn't tell you that in the instructions. We had to go to ChatGPT to find out. Okay, so yeah, those instructions should be in there. So there's a container for grease in the back, which really didn't tell you about that, other than it points to the back. There's a water bowl over here we got to put in, which is already in. But anyway, it's ready to go. So after it's pre-seasoned, tomorrow we'll cook a tri-tip. All right, I put the chips in, starting to smoke now. And then, yeah, we'll see. How much time do I got left now? 24 minutes. Okay, and after 24 minutes, it will shut off. So it's working as it should. Next step is the meat. That's tomorrow. All right, here we go with our first tri-tip. I put 2 probes in there, and I just put them in. They're 63 and 48 right now. I set this for 225, set 228. I set for 4 hours, but I'm not going to go by the hours. I'm going to go by the meat temperature. So that's where we're at. Starting to smoke. I let it go to 225, and then I put the meat in. I've got some water in the bowl. And so now we're just, it's a waiting game. All right. Okay, so it's been an hour and a half. We're at 124 and 118. And I just added more chips, only because I want to have it smoke the last half hour to an hour. So we'll see. All right, we're gonna pull it out. We're at 133 and 131, so that's probably medium rare or rare. So we're gonna go ahead and shut it off and do our thing. All right, there it is.
Oh.
All right, did you want to pull it out?
Let me take these out.
Yeah, They're probably hot. Go ahead and pull that
Actually,
one.
they're not.
Okay.
It's hot.
Okay, if you want to, I'll hold this if you want.
It's going to be heavier.
I know, I can get it. I'm no dummy.
I know, but it's heavy. And the platter's heavy to begin with.
Okay, got it?
I got it.
It's heavy.
I know, it's heavy.
Tasted good, what I just did. All right, I'm going to shut her down. I'm going to shut this down.
How long is it going to rest?
15 minutes, they said. We're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. All right, so this is it.
Let's start on the skinny end. What do you think?
Oh, whatever you want. Okay, it looks. It's hard to say.
I know. It's like,
Okay, so we sliced it, but it was hard to slice, and come to find out it had a lot of connective tissue, they call it, which made it hard to chew as well in a sandwich. So we cut it in different ways, against the grain and with the grain, and we got some good slices out of it, but some of it was just not good. Well, the taste was great, but the connective tissue, they call it, kept it from being chewed like it should. If you know what I mean. Anyway, let's get back to this. Now we got water, and really I could have put a lot less water. So hopefully I can hold it. Oh, there it goes. Throw this out real quick. So next time I'm going to put less water. So I got to clean that. And then we got this down here, which is burnt. All right, let me throw this away. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick cleanup of this window to show you how smoky it gets. It's almost like, you know, when somebody smokes and you want to wash the walls. That's what that looks like. Let me get a rag real quick. Not a rag, but a paper towel. Yeah, see that? So yeah, you got to clean that when you're done. I'm going to do that with both hands and get rid of this phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please don't forget to ring the bell. I'm going to clean this up and we'll catch you on the next cook. Like I say, the tri-tip would have been better if it hadn't been so full of tissue, and that made it hard to chew, but the taste was great. Thanks for watching.